How to change your profile picture on Spotify. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture on Spotify easy and fast. All what you have to do, go to Spotify. Now this is the home page as you can see. All what you have to do, go to the top corner right here and click on this icon. After you click on it, now click on view profile right here, click on your name and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, click edit profile right here like this. Now click change photo and you will be able to change it and put any photo on your gallery as a profile picture. After you finish, click save here in the top corner and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.